Hey, so here's the deal. As you can see, I have two text boxes representing like a hidden area because they both work fundamentally the same. This is only for viewing, whereas a hidden box just wouldn't show up. So I stripped the code basically down to its very narrow parameters. Here I have just a little function that's going to make a 32 length string of random characters based on what's in X string. So what I've done is just echoed out the two variables. The first one is one that is actually running off of this random generation, and the second one is one I just inputted 32 characters, figuring that'll work. So what I have here are these two text boxes that come up. And when you hit reload, of course, it's going to reload this one. And then this one over here is going to stay the same, which it should be the regular output. Now, the interesting thing is when I go to look at the page source, if you pay attention to the beginning, like 3 or 4 characters, we have 7TNX and 533K. If you look at the page source, it's very narrow. So it's 7TNX, which is what's there, and 533K, making it exactly what it's supposed to be. If I regenerate that page, same thing. Regenerate the source code, same thing. It still comes up the same. But you add a session, okay? So PHP is starting a session. And I gave it a cookie lifetime, of course, because the cookie lifetime, you want it to last only a day or whatever, especially for anything where somebody might be logging in. You save that. Now you come over here and you regenerate by reloading. And as you can see, it says USP, but I go and look at the view source code, and the value for this is not USP. It's something completely different. Just on a whim, we saw that was like 4 something. Let's look at it again. It's regenerated again. QVXD. Let's try it one more time. View page source. S5XRO. It's something totally different each and every time. Each and every time you view the source code. Now, knowing what I know about generation, if it were an MD5, I could understand maybe something's getting passed to PHP that says, hey man, this is an MD5, we need to keep, recalibrating that number and re-updating it. But here's the thing, this should just be updating to this text value and staying there, not moving, not changing. USP still listed there, but I checked the freaking source code and it's DBZHY. I checked the source code again, it's SYH. It's almost like it's like a blockchain situation where it just keeps jumping down the line and picking up stuff. I haven't verified that because it's probably moving way too fast. But that's the thing. It's just very, very interesting. So I have discovered the issue. The issue is the session start being the problem. So now I need to go and find out why it's doing that. It should not be doing this whatsoever. We can try it in... Now we see we have this. It's QBKL. We'll now inspect. There we go. View source. Yeah, see, it doesn't do it in Edge. The inspect version, which looks like that. Which, by the way, does show the same number listed there. But if I try to do anything to pull up this number, if I do some kind of jQuery down the line just to say, here, I need this hidden value, it comes up wrong. Only does it in Chrome. Isn't that weird? Huh. Well, that's it, man. Thank you very much for helping out. I appreciate all your help, Greg. Man, I'll talk to you soon.